inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sun, all the love we ever found. Soft sand memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the time we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. Memories drift away. Oh. Endless summer drift away. Days that never seem to end, moments we don't need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue, every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time, everything just feels alive. Close your eyes, feel it near, nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift, moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be.
Runs around, the vibe is right, laughing in the fading light. Ocean breeze, the music loud, good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat, sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound, good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment tact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside with the turning tide. It's our playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside with the turning tide. Easy, drifting slow. Lazy, drifting slow. Slow motion, baby, paradise. Whoa, everything just moving slow. Golden light begins to glow. Ocean breathing in and out. Silence louder than the crowd. Footsteps soft along the sand. No more need to understand. Let it flow, let it be. This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion,
every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loose, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soaring wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. It's our skank, just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Baseline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day. Let it carry you away. Round and round, the feeling goes like a song you always know. In this cycle, you can see this is pure simplicity. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soothing wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. Loop again, again. Go. The way. Yeah. Feel the rhythm in the air. Island vibe is everywhere. Sun is shining on my skin. Let the good times just begin. Ocean calling, can't deny. See the freedom in the sky. Every step I take is smooth, moving with that island groove. Let it lift you up inside like a never-ending tide. No more stress, no delay. Let it wash it all away. Ride the island wave. looking for. In the silence I can hear. Everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea, like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Peace within your mind. Calm tide, reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide, like a gentle tide. Calm tide, reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside. Let your spirit glide. Soft guitar just paints the air. Simple notes without a care. Bassline steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real. Every breath begins to heal. Island time is all I need. Set my soul at ease. Let the past just fade away. Live within the now today. In this flow we understand. Life is more than we had planned. Life is more than we had planned. Slow tide, let it ride. calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the tide we understand, nothing's ever out of hand.
Heartbeat singing with the bass, feel the rhythm in this place. Every step and every move, locked into that island groove. Sun above, no clouds in sight, everything just feels so right. Let it take control of you, nothing else you gotta do. Feel it rise, feel it fall, let the rhythm take it all. No more thinking, just the vibe. Let your body come alive. Island heartbeat flow, let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest, this is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow, let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighting up inside your heart. Bassline bouncing nice and round, spreading love without a sound. Every moment feels so free, that's the island energy. No beginning, no end, just the rhythm we depend. In this groove we understand, life is better on unplanned. Island heartbeat flow, let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest, this is where you rest. everything just feels so right.
No more words we need to say. Let the music lead the way.
In this moment we align, your heart beating next to mine. Feel the vibe, feel the tone. You're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground.
Breeze connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be.
Ocean singing soft and low.
Moving with the afterglow. Guitar chords just set the mood. Everything feels understood.
Baseline deep like endless sea.
Pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away. Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be. That's where I wanna be.
Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon calm, breathless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned.
Every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fake. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. the sea. Feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand. Peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No more rush, no more race, just the calm of this place. Ocean breeze, therapy. Set your spirit free, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy. Where you're meant to be, let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Palm trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more. Just the waves along the shore. Deep bass moving nice and low. Like the tide it comes and goes. Heartbeat sinking with the sound. Pieces everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain. Like a soft and summer rain. In this moment you can see, this is where you're meant to be. Ocean air, take me there. I can come, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy. Where you're meant to be, let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Ocean drifting on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone, feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, everything just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loop, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a swooning wine. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. Guitar skank just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Bassline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day, let it carry you a song you always know. In this cycle you can see this is pure simplicity. Again, again, again. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove, letting play again like a soothing rhyme. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. Loop again, again. Loop again, again. Neon light, island night, yeah. Palm trees glowing in the dark, neon colors leave a mark. Ocean shining black and blue, all I see is me and you. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat syncing with the beat. No control, let it go, let the night just take you slow. Island neon nights, under flashing lights, let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Yeah. Echo guitar and delay, floating through the night this way. Bassline heavy, smooth and deep, pulling secrets that we keep. Every step just feels alive, leaving all the world behind. In this glow we come alive, feel the midnight vibe. Time dissolves into the sound, no more edges, no more ground. In this space we're drifting free, lost in pure